Hi, I'm Melody from the Presser Foot, and we're here today with our next tech tip for your BERNINA sewing machine. Have you ever been sewing, doing embroidery, and you got the dreaded gears of death? That is your sewing machine's way of telling you that there is most likely thread in a place that it shouldn't be. And if you are in a jam like that, the last thing you want to do is to force your hand wheel. So here's what you'll need to do to get yourself out of a thread jam. The first thing you're going to do is try and remove your project. Then you will take off the foot and remove the needle. You may have to clip the thread close so that you can pull the needle out. If your project is stuck to your throat plate, you can reach underneath it and cause the throat plate to come up so that you can remove the throat plate and the project at the same time. Then you can turn it over and clip threads. The next thing you want to do is reach underneath and remove your bobbin case. If it is caught, you can pull it out and use the thread cutter right here to cut the thread to get your bobbin case loose from the system. At this point, you can remove any of the small threads that you see. You can use a pair of tweezers. You also want to go ahead and remove your hook, because frequently thread will be caught on the back side. And the last thing that you want to do is to clean out your thread cutter. This is a good maintenance step as well. So in order to do the maintenance for your thread cutter, the first thing you're going to do is go to the settings menu. To get to the settings menu, you want to choose the gears that are on your sidebar buttons. Then you will choose your sewing machine. The wrench is for maintenance, and the broom is for cleaning. This needs to be done on a fairly regular basis. You can slide up, and then you want to touch the first move the thread catcher out. You need to hear it beep before you can go any farther. At that point, you're going to touch the cutter button, and the cutter will extend and stop. You can use your Q-tips to clean the lint out. You can also use your tweezers to pull any stray threads that you find. Once you are done with that, you will want to click on the link, move the thread catcher in. If your finger will not activate it, you may use your stylus. But again, you want to wait till you hear the beep, and then you will push the cutter button and the cutter will retract, and you are done. If you have a thread jam, once you've gotten everything out, the bobbin case and everything, then you can try turning your hand wheel gently. You should never force the hand wheel if you are feeling a bind. If you've removed all of these items and it's still binding, then you need to bring it in to see us.